Welcome back, students. Today we are going to study about petroleum. Petroleum is a dark colored, thick oily liquid. It has an unpleasant smell. In Greek language, petra means rocks and oleum means oil. So the word petroleum means oil from rocks. Petrol and diesel are obtained from this petroleum. Petroleum was formed by the decomposition of dead remains of plants and animals buried under the sea millions of years ago. Actually, it is believed that millions of years ago, the plants and animals which lived in the sea died. Their dead bodies sank into the bottom of the sea and were soon covered with clay and sand. Over millions of years, under high pressure and temperature, and in the absence of air, the dead remains of plants and animals were slowly converted into petroleum and natural gas. It was passed through porous rocks and got trapped between non-porous rocks. Petroleum and natural gas are found above the layer of water because petroleum and natural gas are lighter than water and do not mix with it. First of all, those areas in which petroleum oil may be present are located by the experts. At such places, petroleum is obtained by drilling holes into the earth crust by machines called drilling rings. Pipes are inserted until they reach the petroleum deposit. Due to high internal pressure of natural gas, crude oil gushes out of the pipe. By using certain pumps, petroleum is pumped out. In India, petroleum is found in Assam and Gujarat. It is also found in river basins of Godavari and Krishna. Petroleum is also found under the seabed at a distance of 150 kilometers from Mumbai called Mumbai High. Refining of petroleum. Petroleum is a complex mixture of petroleum gas, petrol, kerosene, diesel, lubricating oil, fuel oil and paraffin wax. Petroleum is also known as crude oil because it cannot be used in the form in which it exists. We need to separate various constituents of petroleum, so it has to be purified or refined. The process of separating various constituents or useful fractions of petroleum is known as refining of petroleum. It is carried out in a petroleum refinery. Now we can study various constituents of petroleum and their uses. First one, petroleum gas in liquid form, which is called liquefied petroleum gas, LPG. It is used as a fuel for home and industry. Next one, petrol. Petrol is used as a motor fuel, aviation fuel, solvent for dry cleaning. Next one, kerosene. It is used as a fuel for stoves, lamps and for jet aircrafts. Fourth one, diesel. Diesel is used as a fuel for heavy motor vehicles, electric generators. Next one, lubricating oil. It is used for lubricating machineries. Paraffin wax. Paraffin wax is used for making candles, cosmetics, ointments, etc. Bitumen. It is used for making paints and road surfacing. Petrochemicals. Many useful substances which are obtained from petroleum and natural gas are called petrochemicals. They are used in manufacture of synthetic fiber, polythene, synthetic rubber, plastic, perfumes, dyes, drugs, explosives, etc. Due to its great commercial importance, petroleum is also called black gold. Hope you understand everything. Thank you for watching.